Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline. Today we're going to continue on the Christmas theme by sharing other Christmas DIYs using Dollar Tree items or dollar store items. If you like what you're seeing, please comment, subscribe, and like, and also check out my other Christmas videos that I'll link below. So the first DIY, we're making these stocking hooks. So you're going to need some stocking hooks from the Dollar Tree. They didn't really go with my decor. And then you're going to need these signs from the Dollar Tree. I believe they're wood. So what you're going to want to do is take off all the tags from each item. Then you're going to want to tape up the hooks on your figurines. So I am doing the baking soda and paint method because I really wanted to give it a ceramic type of look. So I'm just painting my figurine in white. And I did about 2 coats. Now, I absolutely love this method. I've used this method in several of my videos. I'm gonna leave the videos below, or you can click the I in the corner to see more. Next, once my figurines have dried, I'm just gluing them down on my wood base. Now to make sure they stay, I'm using E6000 and some hot glue. I absolutely loved how this DIY came out, but I was looking for something with more detail, so I decided to add some gold to the figurine. Initially, I used a gold pen, didn't really like it, so I went back over it with some Mod Podge and some gold leaf, and I think it came out looking super good. And the great part is that it cost me $5 to make, including the 3 figurines, the wooden stand, and the gold leaf paper. For the second DIY, we're going to be making this really festive Christmas pillow using a Dollar Tree mat and some sequin ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree. So first you're going to want to remove all the tags. Next, I'm just using some chalk. Now you're going to want to use a white chalk or a light colored chalk, but for the purposes of this DIY, I wanted you guys to see what I did. So I did my writing with my chalk off camera because it was just way easier. What you're going to want to do is basically find a word, preferably a Christmas word, and write that onto your pillow. I end up picking believe. I did mine freehand, but you can always use a template if you have one. Next, you're going to want to remove the threading on the side of your pillow. You're going to want to do that for one side. Now I'm just inserting a harder type paper just so that my glue does not seep into the other side of my pillow. Next, I'm just going to use some tacky glue, and I'm just going to follow my markings for my lettering. Next, you're just going to want to glue down your sequin ribbon. My suggestion is to take your time and not to use too much glue. Now, as you can see, my helper is making her own pillow as well. Next, I'm just taking a few of the sequins and doing some touch-ups to the areas that I missed. So in order to complete your pillow, you're going to need some type of pillow form or some polyfill. I'm using a pillow that I have that I use for another project, but it happened to fit pretty good into my pillow cover. To give my pillow a cute finish, I made 4 tassels using white yarn. Once I finished making my tassels, and I made a total of 4, I had to attach it to my pillow. So what I did was take the side that I did not open, and I took the corner of the pillow and I made a small opening by removing the stitches. I then inserted the tassel into the corner using my hand, but if it's a bit difficult, what you can do is use a small dowel or pencil to help you get the tassel in. To secure the tassel, I just used a little bit of hot glue. And you want to repeat these steps on the other side. Now to attach the tassels to the other side, I'm just going to glue the tassels in. Because that area is open, it was really easy to attach. Lastly, to finish off this pillow, you want to hot glue the pillow closed. If you're a sewer, you can also sew it as well. And there you have it, guys, the final product. I think it came out so good. This is probably one of my favorite Christmas DIYs because I think it came out so good and it was so cheap to make. With all the supplies, this pillow cost me about $3 using all dollar store / Dollar Tree items. So guys, I hope that you liked this video and that you got some inspiration to create your own Christmas DIYs. I have other DIY Christmas decor projects. Please check them out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Do not forget to check out my other videos. Also, please check out my website at www.sincerelyjacqueline.com, where I actually have written instructions on how to make your own pillow because I did this project last year. And lastly, to see my projects in action and also to connect with me off of YouTube, please head to my Instagram at sincerelyjacqueline. Thanks guys, and thank you once again for watching.